let me start by showing you the results. There it is. Look at this. See how white and bright that is? This is so much better. And this is so affordable, and this is a must upgrade. Wow, I cannot believe it even now. All right, I'm gonna take you all the way through the process, but first, here is the after, here's the before. After, before, after, before. I mean, it's so good. Okay, so as far as the install, first of all, just make sure you're changing the right bulb. There's fog lights and there's high beams, there's low beams. You can Google all that, but every car is different. This is a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. I took the cap off there, pulled this latch back, and then I pull out the old halogen bulb and disconnect it. The new bulb is gonna fit these exact same parameters. If you're in the wrong bulb or you get the wrong thing, then you're not gonna work. It's not gonna fit. You're not gonna blow it up. It's just not gonna fit. So make sure you have the right bulb. Do that research on the front end. Okay, so here is the new bulb. Look how much better that looks. This has so much technology built into it. I'll talk about that a little bit later when we're on the other side, but basically you just snap it back in, line it back up. The base of these newer bulbs, they don't have to be oriented as well or at all really as the old ones did. They just pretty much fit in. It's so much easier. Put that latch back down or whatever connector you have on your car and then replace the cap. That is it. It is such an easy install and it makes such a huge difference on your car, the appearance, but more than that, just your ability to see the road. It's incredible. So flipping over here to the other side, again, we're not doing this outside one right here that I'm tapping. We're doing this inside one. That is the low beam headlight. Take the cap off. That cap's just keeping the dust and the road grime and stuff out of there, and that's a very important cap to get back on. Again, just release the latch or whatever connector or holding, whatever you have in there that's holding it, and then just pull it out. And that's it. So again, there's the old halogen. This is not even close, guys. The new technology is so much better on every angle, brighter, whiter. This is not blue or purple, by the way. This is a pure white. It cools better. It uses less energy. Just everything about it is just superior. All right, so plug it back in. Stick it back in the hole. Again, the orientation does not matter as much as it used to. So it's really quite easy. Just get it in there flush and then put the latch back on. This one's just like a spring latch, kind of like a safety pin almost. And just you get it in there, go past the connector and then release it and just holds it in there tight. Again, I'll put the cap back on. Again, this is Farin, the Termitor LED lights. I've actually purchased these before for my father and my father-in-law's vehicles. And then this company has more recently reached out to me and asked if I could make some videos for them. Happy to do it. Okay, so here's the after shot with white on both sides. The before is on top, the after is below. It makes such a big difference. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna unbox it for you, show you everything that comes in the packaging. Again, this is the Farin brand, Termitor. There's lots of different sizes, H7, H11, all the ones. There's a bunch of them, just make sure you get the right one. This company did send me these bulbs for a review, but like I said earlier, I've purchased these before as well. Very impressed. Okay, so if you stick around past this unboxing, and I'll do this at 2x speed just to respect your time, I'll put some nighttime driving at the very end as well. These are affordable and they make such a big difference. I could not be happier with them. I hope this works for you and I hope this is beneficial to see it. But my main thing is just I wanted to show it to you and show you the install, show you how easy it is. Very impressed, very much like these. They make a huge difference. All right, have a great day. Take care.